Hello everyone, today in front of me I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5G smartphone, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout setting to never on this device. So unfortunately, as we will see now, if we'll go to the settings app of this device, here choose the display category, and at the automatic screen off section we'll see that the biggest value we can set is 30 minutes. So in order for us to be able to set it to never, we'll use the help of the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's open up the Google Play Store. At the search bar type in Caffeine, just like that. That's the app that we are looking for. Tap on install and wait for the app to get installed and downloaded. Alrighty, now we can just go ahead and open it. And here all that we need to do is to open the timeout section and make sure that the infinite value is set, and that will ultimately mean that we have successfully set the auto screen off value to never. So as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not automatically turn off at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.